Let's make these cute cupcake toppers with your Cricut because they'll make perfect holiday gifts. You can also use the same techniques to create all kinds of different holiday gift stickers. You only need a few things, so white sticker paper is ideal, and then either a cutting machine like a Cricut Joy Xtra or a Cricut Maker or Explore Air, or scissors. You can absolutely use scissors if you don't have a cutting machine. And of course, toothpicks, just really standard toothpicks that you would usually use, and in the festive period, you probably have a lot of those already in stock. So in Cricut Design Space, we're going to begin by uploading our clip art. So I'm using this holiday themed clip art. If you're a Secret Sticker Society member, my sticker making membership, you've got access to this. Otherwise, use any holiday clip art that you like. So we're going to bring it into Cricut Design Space and upload it, and then reduce the size of it because we only need to have quite small sizes for this. I really love these clip art designs. They're so bright and beautiful, and we can use them in loads of different ways. Now I'm going to begin with this flag style. So I'm starting with a square. So in shapes, go to square, and then I've turned it into a rectangle, and now I'm changing the color to green. Now for each of the flag ends, all I'm going to do is create a triangle, and then I'll chop the triangle off each of the ends. So I'm creating a triangle, making it the same size, so it's the same height, making it a bit smaller, and then duplicating it and flipping one of them horizontally. When I've aligned my two triangles, so one at the left and one at the right, and make sure they're perfectly aligned, I can then use either the slice or the subtract tool to remove them, to subtract them away, so then I'm left with my sticker with two flag tails at the end. Next, I added an internal offset and then another internal offset inside that one. One was white and one was green. When I flatten the sticker, it looks like I've got then that white line in the inside. Now I'm grabbing the clip art I got from before and arranging that inside and adding Happy Holidays in text. I'll change that to white so it really pops on the green background. And I'm going to again duplicate the text so I've got one at either side of the flag. Remember, we want the same either side. Now, when I've arranged everything, the last step is to select all of those elements and flatten them together so Cricut only cuts around the outside edge of that sticker. We can use really similar techniques to create these different ones too. So I'm using my Christmas pudding. I'm having two versions of it, and one is going to be on top of the other but flipped vertically. I've added an offset around them, and then the offsets need to be touching because I want this sticker to cut out in one piece. But that's another way to create another cute cupcake topper. When you've finished and you've completed all of your different cupcake toppers, then attach them all together. So I've got loads of different colors here. And I'm clicking Make, and now it's time to print and cut them out. Now I'm going to print them out on my Canon PIXMA inkjet printer, and I've changed the settings here, the preferences, to turn the system dialog on, and that means that then I can increase the print quality to high because I do want them to be vibrant. I'm going to be giving this cupcake gift to somebody special, so I want to make sure they look really good. After I've added my sticker sheet to my Cricut Joy Xtra mat, I'm going with the printable sticker paper and changing the pressure to less because I want to kiss cut these individual stickers out so they can be peeled off the sheet. And next up, it's time to put these together. So I'm going to fold it in half and match the flag tail ends together. They're very sticky, so be careful you don't tear the sticker. Then grab the toothpick and put it inside and use that to kind of pull it taut. And then we're going to be flattening down that sticker to make sure it's stuck together and stuck to the toothpick too. How cute is it? Let's assemble the next sticker now. So I've got my gingerbread man, and I'm going to be folding this one over with the toothpick in the inside and then matching the two sides of the gingerbread man together. Again, just making sure that it's not only stuck to the toothpick, but it's really flattened and stuck down on both sides of that sticker too. So let's fold this one over, making sure that we're pressing it down firmly and it's really well stuck, and that can go into another cupcake. And that's how simple it can be to create these holiday gift cupcake toppers. You could even personalize them with people's names. I think they'd be thrilled to receive a cupcake gift with their very own personalized sticker on top. I really hope you've enjoyed this class. Make sure you check out my other videos so you can learn even more sticker making ideas and techniques. See you soon!